Well, hello there. Good morning. Oh my gosh. I literally have not been on here forever, and I've been trying to vlog for like 2 weeks now. All right, so it has been a really long time since I have vlogged. I mean, a really long time. You probably got like glasses, marks and stuff. But gonna try to do a little vlog for the next few days. I don't know if this is gonna happen. Today is December 3rd. December 3rd. I've been trying to vlog. I'll put in a couple clips here because I tried to vlog. I was at Michael's the other day for some sales. I was looking at some stuff, thought I was going to get it. I ended up not getting it. Some ribbon and stuff that I was going to save for next year. And then I ended up I got really ill right after Thanksgiving, and I was down for like 4 days. And then trying to catch up with work and stuff, so wasn't really going out or doing anything. This morning I already got up. I've been up since 4:30, showered, got myself together, and but I'm back here at Michael's. Go figure. Because we're going to have a little ornament. It's not really an exchange, but it's like we're buying an ornament for our work Christmas tree. Just have something a little different. Each one will be kind of personal to what we want to bring and share or whatever. And then I have to go to the mall, which is across the street from Michael's. And it's a pretty good sized mall for the town I live in. Because my grandkids have talked about a few things that they want for Christmas. And so I'm going to go over there, look around, see if I can find some of the things. I don't know what I'll find, but we'll see. Everything's going to be a surprise. They'll send me stuff and then it gives me ideas. And then I like to have some surprises in there. So while they kind of have shared and usually I try to get them what they want, I still like to throw in some surprises. It's the grandkids, right? So anyway, all right. Well, I'm going to head on into Michael's. Michael's is having a pretty good sale. Last time I was in here, it was like 60% off already. And the ribbon was like buy one, get 2 or 3 free or something, some ridiculous thing. Anyway, I'm so tempted all the time. So I found some really nice candles. They're like 60% off, so they smell really good. So I hope they smell like that when we burn them. So, and then yeah, there's just a whole bunch of stuff. Like it's all 60% off. So if you're still looking for stuff, Michael's is always good. Hobby Lobby is always good. For some reason, I always feel like Target goes really fast. But, yeah, I think I'm almost done here. I'm going to go over to the mall. So anytime I come and do this, like late in the season, basically all I'm doing is looking for stuff for next year. And then I pack it away, and then I have it for next year. And I wanted to do green this year, and for some reason, I just wasn't finding anything. And so I just used kind of what I had and added a little bit to it. They have some really good deals on the ribbon, but they don't have any green ribbon. And next year, I don't really like doing this. I may flock my tree because I think I want it all white next year. And I'm still looking at green stuff. So I think it would be really pretty with green. They have some really pretty black ribbon. I thought the white tree with black ribbon and green accent. But I don't know if I want to go that dark. So I like to keep Christmas kind of light. So, anyway, it's gonna keep looking. So I found these. There's like something a little different rather than doing ribbon, which I do every year. Maybe just some little beads and stuff. I went rustic this year, and I'd like to kind of keep a little bit of that theme. And I think having these little like wood beads as a garland instead of doing ribbon, or maybe just having little like, I don't know, like swirls of ribbon coming off to give it a little bit of something. I also have like these little icicles and stuff. I'll put a little image in here that I used on the office tree, and that would go kind of good to keep that rustic thing, like ice cold icicles dripping off, and then have this little bit of green accent. So I don't know. Anyway, yes, I am looking for next year. So any of these green little things, these are things that I don't have. That would be kind of cool. I'm definitely not big on like yellow gold, but this brass or like a champagne gold, I'm kind of okay with. So let's see. See, that's kind of so expensive. It's $36, and even 60% off. I wouldn't buy it. I'm still cheap. So these are kind of cute. Let's see.
Like this?
$14.99.
I only see one.
So if you get it,
but
it's probably like $6.
A big one, look.
So it's kind of perfect. So this is really pretty, but I can make this. And look, it's $80, and I could probably make this for like $20. I'm pretty good at it. So I thought these would go really, really pretty in the tree. Make little picks, and these are 50% off. So there's 6 little things on each one, and then you just cut them off, and then you just use each one as a pick. Oh, here we go. They only had 3, so I'd make it work. All right, so now it's time to go into the mall. Get some things. But I haven't been to the mall in probably the last time I brought one of my granddaughters for her birthday. So anyway, I'm going to dread doing this, but it's always for the grandkids. So apparently the mall stores don't open till noon. But luckily Bath & Body Works was open early. So they were opening an hour early because they're having their candle sale. What is it with those dang candles? Anyway, I was very upset that if there was going to be a big line, but there wasn't. But there are lines at other stores here. Kind of crazy. Anyway, I think I'm going to go to this shoe store. All right, I made it out of there successfully. It was so hot in Sephora. I am like, need to pat down the face a little bit. Probably should take the beanie off, but after it's been in, here for a little while, oh my gosh. Yeah, I don't even know what this hair looks like right now. Anyway, I'm trying to get used to like where I'm supposed to be looking. I don't have my pocket camera right now. I don't know why I did do it. I turned it on the other day, and then I don't know what I did. I pressed something and it's wonky now. I do not have the new one. Maybe I'll get it in a few months or so. Right now I'm still like going through taking care of some other financial things, and so that hasn't been high on the list. I really want it, but it's not high on the list. So anyway, it's Christmas right now. And so my job is to make sure I just like listen to what the grandkids are telling me. That's it. Oh, anyway, I made it out. I have one more stop before I go home. And then I can go home and take this beanie off, take my jeans off, take the sweatshirt off, and chill. It's probably freezing in my house. I'll probably enjoy it. But right now, I'm really, really warm. Anyway, one more stop. I got to stop at the market, just pick up a couple items. It's so weird. I love this turkey sausage. It is only available at 2 markets in this whole freaking town. And I live in a pretty big, good-sized town. Anyway, it's only available in 2. But luckily, one store is on my way home. Oh, I'm out of here. The mall is back now. It is almost 1:30. I've been here since like 11. No. Yeah, like 11:30. So I am done. I finally made it home and I'm resting, relaxing. I do have my tree on and I'm happy about that. I like to be able to turn the tree on. And then I have some other stuff hooked up to the smart outlet strip. So like I can tell, you know who to turn on Christmas, and the rest of the stuff, most of this stuff will go on, and some of the stuff I have to manually plug in. But I mean, it's such a pain in the butt to walk around and turn everything on and off, all the little fairy lights and everything. But I so enjoy just sitting here, sun going down and having all the lights on and stuff. It is so much fun. How does anybody else? Are you guys all decorated? I'll show you a little bit of my stuff. I'll show it now, and then I'll show it once the sun goes down, so that way you could see a little bit more of it. I have not dusted, so my table's gonna look very dirty. That is all the Christmas stuff. I really like the way it came out. I wanted it to look like ribbon was just kind of falling within the tree. I don't know if it looks like that, but that's what I kind of wanted. Let's see. I'll walk over here. You'll see, I don't know if this is going to work, but I just wanted it to kind of as if I like took the ribbon and then it just kind of fell on its own. So that's what I was kind of getting. I don't know if it really worked, but I don't care. I don't care. So I like it. Again, I want to change it a little up next year, so we'll see how that goes. I'll show you my tree that I like. This room is not done at all, but it's where I sit for like working at home and stuff. My phone's like really close. I'm not used to doing this. Again, guys, it's been since March since I've actually done a video. But I wanted to do something in here for when I'm sitting in here and working and stuff. So I changed it around slightly, and then, yeah. So it's kind of a mess. So this is my little tree. And when I say it's a mess. Like stuff everywhere, tree skirts all. I pulled this out. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen I posted some pictures. My photo albums are behind there. And I was posting pictures on Instagram from the photo albums, just being a little nostalgic. And anyway, so this is my little tree. And so this is kind of where I sit for work. Those curtains were in my bedroom. So if you ever saw any of my videos in the past, those are the curtains from my bedroom. I switched them out. I'll show you my video. Oh, not my video. I'll show you my bedroom in another video. Hopefully I will do another video. But anyway, so this is where that's at. I just put a few little things here. And then TV. And then I just have a couple things that kind of put up there. This, I just have like a few little things out on the China hutch. Did you ever saw that video? My grandsons and I worked and we redid this hutch. I think it has a little turkey mark on there. Look at that. Anyway, so there's that. But yeah, a little bit of a mess in here. I don't want to scan too much that way because I have a little couch. And it has some gifts on it. So I don't want to do that. But yeah, anyway. So again, this room is really a mess, but I sit in the chair and then I enjoy being able to look at the tree, watch TV while I'm working and stuff. And so it's a great place to just kind of chill. But I'm excited updating my bedroom too. It's just a little update, just a little one, but I'll explain. Sometimes all you do is a couple little changes, very much on a budget, and then you can, transform things to make it feel a little more cozy. And that's kind of what I was looking for. So anyway, all right.